What if the universe never had a Big Bang? Imagine everything just paused, not just for a moment, but for eternity. A cosmic stillness stretching on without end. No dramatic beginning, no explosion, just an eternal, unchanging state. The universe would be like a movie stuck on its very first frame, never pressing play. Instead of a universe bursting into existence, we'd have a cosmos holding its breath, a perfectly still pond with no pebble to disturb it, no ripples, no waves, just infinite calm, as if time itself refused to move forward. All the energy, matter, and forces could exist, but in suspended animation, potential without a spark. Imagine every atom, every particle, frozen in place, waiting for a cue that never comes. Our entire understanding of cosmology is built on the idea of an expanding universe with a history. We look for clues in the cosmic microwave background, in the movement of galaxies, in the very fabric of space and time. Take away the Big Bang, and there's no cosmic story, no evolution, no galaxies forming, no stars igniting, no planets spinning into being. The universe would be spatially vast but temporally static, like being stuck on page 1 of a book that never starts. The story is there, but the words are never written. No cosmic history, no baby pictures of the universe, just endless sameness. Every corner of space would look exactly like every other, with no hint of change or progress. It's a profound shift, a cosmos in perfect and perfectly boring equilibrium. Nothing to observe, nothing to discover, just a silent, unchanging void. So what would this quiet, unbanged universe look like? Would there even be a way to tell it exists, or would it be invisible to any observer? How would the absence of that explosive moment ripple through reality? Or would it be the absence of ripples altogether? A universe with no echoes, no aftershocks, no memory? Let's explore a place where the rules are different, where the grand cosmic narrative never began. A reality where possibility exists, but nothing ever happens. Forget everything you know about cosmic origins. Erase the timeline, erase the fireworks, erase the very idea of a beginning. We're about to explore the universe that decided to sleep in. A universe that never woke up, never started its day, and never told its story. Welcome to the ultimate cosmic snooze, a universe where the alarm never rings, and the dream of existence never truly begins. In our universe, galaxies are born from the gravitational collapse of matter after the Big Bang. But in a universe without that explosive start, there's no expansion, no quantum fluctuation, no seeds for galaxies. Matter would be spread out perfectly evenly, gravity's pull balanced everywhere so nothing clumps together. The cosmos would be a stagnant sea of potential, locked in perfect gridlock, no majestic spirals, no cosmic cities, just a faint, featureless fog. Galaxies are the engines of cosmic creation, but here they never ignite. Without galaxies, there are no stars, no heavy elements, no planetary systems. The universe would be a quiet, uniform haze, vast, dark, and lonely. Complexity and life remain forever locked away, waiting for a spark that never comes. It's a universe where the stage is set, but the play never begins. Stars are born in dense clouds of gas within galaxies, but without galaxies, star formation stalls before it starts. The raw materials, hydrogen and helium, are too spread out for gravity to ignite fusion. It's like trying to start a campfire with fuel scattered across the field. The fuel is there, but it never lights. The universe would be full of unlit potential, perpetually dark. Maybe by sheer chance, a rare fluctuation would form a low massive star. But these would be isolated oddities, not part of any grand cycle. The night sky would be almost empty, perhaps with a single distant star flickering in the void. No constellations, no familiar patterns, just darkness. The absence of the Big Bang doesn't just prevent big structures, it snuffs out the lights before they can be switched on. The universe would lack its most iconic and beautiful feature. The cosmic stage remains dark, waiting for a show that never starts. Planets are cosmic leftovers, formed from the debris around newborn stars. But without stars, and without the heavy elements forged in their hearts, planet formation is impossible. In a universe without a Big Bang, star birth is rare, and any stars that do form are made only of hydrogen and helium. No cosmic recycling, no enrichment, so no rocky worlds, no oceans, no atmospheres. The periodic table stops at helium. Chemistry never gets interesting. Even if a rocky body somehow forms, it's a lonely wanderer in eternal darkness with no sun to orbit. The idea of a planet as a world orbiting a star becomes meaningless. The universe is a kitchen with only flour and water, no recipe, no cake. complexity is a non-starter. The ingredients for life never come together. The cosmos is a collection of raw materials forever unassembled. The cosmic microwave background, the faint afterglow of the Big Bang, is one of our best clues to the universe's origins. In a universe without a Big Bang, this cosmic hum is missing. No primordial fireball, no afterglow, just a cold, silent void. The baseline temperature of space would drop to absolute zero, a perfect and absolute stillness. The universe wouldn't just be dark, it would be frozen in a way ours is not. Without the CMB, cosmologists lose their most precious tool, the baby picture of the universe. There's no way to probe the earliest moments because there were no earliest moments. The universe would be ageless, with no starting point to live. In a radio telescope in the sky, when you find nothing, silent void. Our universe feels alive, filled with the warmth of its own birth. A universe without the CMB would feel static and dead. It's a silent, empty stage where the play never began. The laws of physics are deeply tied to the universe's history. They aren't just abstract ideas, they're the invisible threads that hold everything together, from the tiniest particles to the largest galaxies. The Big Bang's extreme conditions set the rules, separating the fundamental forces and creating matter. In those first moments, unimaginable energy sculpted the universe's blueprint, determining how everything would interact. Without that cosmic crucible, the forces might never split. The rulebook could be completely different. Imagine a universe where gravity, electromagnetism, and the nuclear forces are still tangled together, never giving rise to the world we know. Chemistry as we know it might not exist. No atoms, no molecules, no way for complex structures to form, and no foundation for life or planets. The stability of matter itself could be in question. Even the idea of stuff might be impossible, with particles unable to stick together or form anything lasting. In a static universe, maybe matter has always existed, or maybe it never forms at all. The cosmos could be a silent, unchanging void with no stars, no planets, and no story to tell. Without the Big Bang's asymmetry, matter and antimatter might perfectly balance, annihilating each other and leaving only energy. There would be no leftover building blocks for galaxies, stars, or us. The result? A universe that's empty or filled with pure, featureless light. No structure, no complexity, just endless sameness stretching in every direction. The laws of physics might have nothing to act upon. A rulebook with no game, no players, and no rules to make. It's like having traffic laws but no cars, no roads, no drivers. The rules are there, but there's nothing for them to govern. The very fabric of reality would be a ghost of what it could have been. All the potential for wonder and complexity left unrealized. The universe is there, but nothing ever happens. No change, no evolution, just a silent, eternal pause. The rules exist, but the story never starts. The universe waits, but the first page is never turned. Our universe is defined by expansion, space itself stretching, carrying galaxies along. Remove the Big Bang, and you remove expansion. Space-time becomes static, unchanging. The cosmic landscape would be the same yesterday, today, and forever. A universe without a story arc. This is the perfect cosmological principle. The universe is the same everywhere and everywhere. No observable universe, no cosmic horizons. Light would have infinite time to travel, so you could see forever. But with no stars, the sky would be perfectly, uniformly dark. The universe would be locked in maximum entropy, perfect equilibrium from the start. No sense of a cosmic edge in time, no beginning or end. The universe becomes a single, unchanging, infinite block of space-time. No ballooning cosmos, no dynamic change, just eternal stillness. The story of the universe is never written. The fabric of reality remains unstretched, forever at rest. Our sense of time's arrow, past, present, future, comes from the universe's evolution. The Big Bang set the arrow in motion, starting from low entropy and moving toward disorder. In a universe without a beginning, everything is already in perfect equilibrium, maximum entropy. Time loses its direction, cause and effect blur. The sequence of events could be jumbled, or time might not be meaningful at all. Imagine time as a dimension you could move through in any direction, with past and future coexisting in a timeless now. Local events might still happen, but there's no cosmic progression. The universe is like a single frame of a movie, detailed, but never advancing. There's no cosmic clock, no age to measure. Time itself becomes the ultimate casualty of a universe without a beginning. We've journeyed through a cosmos that never had a grand opening, a universe that simply existed. silent and unchanging, with no moment of creation to mark its beginning. No galaxies, no stars, no planets, just a cold, static void stretching endlessly in every direction, untouched by the spark of creation or the warmth of light. In such a reality, the laws of physics might be unrecognizable, and time itself could be meaningless. Without change, there's no way to measure before or after, no ticking clock to mark the passage of moments. This thought experiment highlights just how special and rare our universe truly is, and how fortunate we are to witness its wonders. The Big Bang wasn't just an explosion. It was the moment that set the stage for everything: expansion, complexity, and the emergence of life itself, giving rise to the cosmic drama we see today. It gave the universe a story, a narrative of change and transformation that led over billions of years to the existence of stars, planets, and ultimately, to us. We are, in a very real sense, children of the Big Bang, our atoms forged in ancient stars, our lives intertwined with the universe's unfolding history. Thinking about a universe without a beginning makes us appreciate the one we have, reminding us how precious and unique our cosmic story is. Every galaxy, every star, every planet is a testament to a dynamic, evolving cosmos, evidence that our universe is alive with change and possibility. The darkness of that alternate reality makes our universe's light shine even brighter, filling us with awe and gratitude for the world we inhabit. Questioning the Big Bang isn't about doubt, it's about understanding its significance and recognizing the profound impact of having a cosmic beginning. Our universe had a birthday, a moment when everything began, and that made all the difference for everything that followed. It gave us a past to explore, a present to experience, and a future to wonder about, a cosmic journey that continues to unfold.